Ants might not be the first creatures you think of when it comes to helping your garden grow, but they actually play some pretty important roles in pollination and plant health. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 key ways ants contribute to pollination and plant growth. Number 1. Ants transfer pollen while foraging. When ants crawl around flowers collecting nectar, they pick up pollen grains on their bodies and move them between blooms. They might not be as good as bees, but in places where bees don't show up much, ants fill that pollination gap and help plants reproduce. Number 2. Ants protect flowers from less effective visitors. Think of ants as flower bodyguards that keep away insects that don't do much pollination but just steal nectar. This means better pollinators get more chances to visit, which can lead to healthier flowers and more seeds. Number 3. Ants improve soil aeration and nutrient cycling. Their tunnels let air and water flow deeper into the soil, helping roots grow strong. Plus, ants bring organic stuff into their nests that breaks down and enriches the soil naturally, making it better than some chemical fertilizers. Number 4. Ants disperse seeds to favorable spots. Some plants rely on ants to carry their seeds to safe, nutrient-rich places, often inside ant nests, where the seeds can sprout and grow without getting eaten or crowded out. This natural seed spreading boosts plant diversity. Number 5. Ant secretions influence pollen viability selectively. Ants produce secretions that can harm pollen, so they aren't always great pollinators. But some plants have evolved pollen that resists these secretions, making ants more effective partners in certain environments. Number 6. Ants control herbivorous insects that damage plants. Ants hunt or scare away bugs that eat leaves and stems, reducing damage and letting plants focus energy on growing and making seeds instead of healing wounds. Number 7. Ants enhance ecosystem stability through multiple roles. Their work in pollination, seed dispersal, soil health, and pest control all combine to keep plant communities strong and balanced over time, helping gardens and wild spaces thrive. If you want to support your garden's health and growth, check out bighomeprojects.com to find local experts who know how to work with nature and improve your outdoor space the right way.